of Lands and Mineral Resources, the Deputy Secretary, senior government officials, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bulavinaka, Borre, and very good morning to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited to be here today to be amongst the people of Mboa on this very beautiful Saturday morning. And today's event will be a memorable one, not only for the successful recipients, but also for me and my ministry as we mark the 29th phase of the Micro and Small Business Grant and the last of the disbursements here in the North. Ladies and gentlemen, since the instigation of this particular program in 2014, the government has invested a total of $15.9 million to support 16,605 recipients all over the country. The Micro and Small Business Grants has thus far given a marvelous result in improving the growth of all Fijians. And many of the micro and small business operators are part of the informal sector, hence their contribution to the Fijian economy is actually going unrecorded. So the MSBG initiative has enabled the transition from informal to the formal sector. And the continuous support given to the MSBG initiative portrays the Fijian government's commitment to improve the standard of living and provide sustainable livelihoods for all Fijians. Ladies and gentlemen, the MSBG initiative also serves as a platform in mainstreaming the informal, micro and small operators into the formal sector. This will assist the government in formulating policies to enhance sustainable growth in our MSME sector. MSMEs play a major role in most economies, particularly in developing countries, and the formal MSMEs contribute about 60% of total employment and up to about 40% of national income in emerging economies. These numbers are significantly higher when informal MSMEs are actually formalized. This is one of the main objectives of the Fijian government, and by formalizing MSMEs, we are able to account for your actual contribution to the Fijian economy and to give you all the recognition and support that you deserve. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very fortunate that our Honorable Prime Minister is the champion of this particular program, which will ensure that this program continues to receive the required impetus at the highest level. And the reason that the Honorable Prime Minister is passionate about this program is that we are able to provide support to the smallest of small businesses. That is, the businesses or individuals that financial institutions do not consider bankable. Therefore, this initiative is to provide you with a leg up and to give you the necessary tools to access finance. So by receiving your grant, your details are now part of the Ministry and FDB's database. This will assist you in obtaining further credit, and once you are able to demonstrate success in your particular present venture. Therefore, today, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be providing support to 699 recipients with a total government investment of about $688,592. This investment is towards your business projects and will vary ranging in terms of the businesses that you operate. This investment or this grant can be an investment and it can be transformed in many ways, such as sole trader businesses, agriculture businesses, livestock farming, and many more. Ladies and gentlemen, with the right intended use of the grant, it will bring a lot of changes and difference among our society, and we encourage you to incorporate innovation, creativity, and thinking outside the box in your business models. An example is to overcome your small size, you can adopt clusters or cooperative models of business to strengthen your bargaining power in the actual market. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to reiterate that this particular grant is not a handout, but is a leg up, and the purpose of the grant is to improve your livelihood in the long run. And a simple message that I have been informing to all recipients in every venue has been that the ministry will undertake monitoring and assessment. And And the intended purpose of this particular exercise will be to evaluate and gauge the impact of this assistance towards your businesses, and to gauge also if it is used for its intended purpose. Ladies and gentlemen, the monitoring and evaluation will enable us to improve in the allocation of grants to different sectors. Therefore, it is important to place the government's investment in right places and utilize it efficiently to bring better growth and results in your community. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to reiterate that the ministry will also provide training and business development support services to all the recipients. The intention of this training is to allow individuals to gain prosperities of developing businesses and enables them to end up with robust businesses. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all the very best in bringing better initiative. And this is what Fiji needs, because the economy relies on you and your success. Minakabakalewu.
Bawani Prasad, Team Raj, Bibi, Jamaica Prasad, Jamaica Prasad, Dan Raj, Jamaica Raj, Tennessee, Dominica Sewede, Kilitola Kuisala, Filomena Palestina, Filomena Gorongoro,
Astuni Oliva, Matavesi Taro, Atia Longa,
Pereira Landol, Muhammad Hamid, Muhammad Jamil, Jamaica Lemba, Emani Chabo, Niraj Khan, Winnie Dangusau, Ovini Klomo, Elite